for you.
I know what you're doing. Aren't you going to ask me to buy you a drink?
No.
Well, you're on the hunt tonight, aren't you?
Maybe.
You're hungry. You want a man.
Yes.
Yeah. You want to go off somewhere with him and lose control. You want to do things that you know are wrong, but you just can't stop thinking about.
Yes.
You're a dirty whore, aren't you?
No, not really.
Oh, yes, you are. God looks at you and he sees a dirty, dirty whore. Because that is what you are. Fuck you. Oh, spoken like a true whore. This is your lucky day, whore. Because you know what? God is merciful.
Leave me alone.
Oh, I wish I could, whore. But God has another idea in mind for you. Salvation. You know you would rather be with Jesus.
What is your name? What is your name?
Jerry Hodgson, pastor of the Holy Rock Church.
Well, I want you to do one thing for me, Jerry Hodgson.
I'll do anything. Please don't kill me.
Are you married?
I am.
Then I want you to go home to your wife and tell her that you love her. And tell her that she is way too good for you. And then I want you to make love to her like it was the first time. And remember that if God wants anything, it's you thanking him daily that you get to live a normal life. And that you don't have to cut people open to eat. Can you do that for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I want you to stand up and walk out that door. But scream I'm a fucking pervert with a big boner for Jesus.
I'm a fucking pervert with a big boner for Jesus!
Yeah, whatever floats your boat, dude.
Right?
Hey.
Hey, yourself.
Buy you a drink?
I'm looking for much more in a drink, mister.